Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit links on Linktree. In this quick walkthrough, we'll focus on the simple process of finding an existing link in your Linktree dashboard and opening its editing options. If you're updating a destination, correcting wording, or making small changes to how a link appears on your page, this is where that process begins. To get started, go to the Linktree admin area. This is the main dashboard where you manage the links that appear on your Linktree profile. Once the page loads, you should see your list of current links in one place. This section is essentially your control panel, and it allows you to review, organize, and update the items visitors can click on. After you're in the Admin Links page, look for the sample link in your list. Take a moment to scan through the available links carefully so you select the correct one before making any changes. This is especially helpful if you have several links that look similar or if your page includes multiple campaigns, products, or social destinations. Identifying the right link first helps avoid editing the wrong item by mistake. When you've found the sample link, move your attention to the edit icon next to that link and click on it. This opens the editing controls for that specific link. From there, you'll be able to access the settings related to that entry and make the adjustments you need. The edit icon is typically the quickest way to jump directly into modifying an existing link, so it's good to know exactly where it is in the dashboard. As you go through this process, it's a good idea to double check that you're editing the intended link before saving any future changes. Working carefully here can save time later and help keep your Linktree page clean, accurate, and up to date for your audience. That's all there is to it. You've now seen how to access Linktree admin, locate the link you want to work on, and open it using the edit icon. Once you're comfortable with these steps, managing your Linktree becomes much faster and more efficient. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps make updating your links a smooth and simple experience.